What does atmospheric river mean? Now you might wonder, there can be a river in the atmosphere as well. It's actually not that case. So it's a air parcel filled with moisture. Now as that air parcel filled with moisture moves from the region of tropics to higher latitudes, it actually causes rainfall since it is moisture laden, and therefore the term atmospheric river. Now why we discussed it today, a real important question is, in California recently there has been an extraordinary weather phenomena with more than 8 trillion gallons of water falling through, and this 8 trillion gallons of water was coming from nowhere else but these atmospheric rivers. And this was the time when there was the Grammy Awards function going on in Los Angeles, and even the regions of Los Angeles and Santa Barbara were the key focus. Nearly 20 million residents had to face emergency situations across 8 counties in California, and this atmospheric river, when makes a landfall, it leads to intense precipitation and rainfall, and this could be either rain or it could be even snow form. Also, a severe power outage can be caused because of the atmospheric river. There can be flooding situations in certain circumstances that could be seen. The term Pineapple Express is commonly associated with it. Now, Pineapple Express is a specific atmospheric river which originates near the region of Hawaii and enters the west coast of United States. So this can be a very important MCQ, what is Pineapple Express? So these kind of questions from the section on climatology become extremely important for your competitive exams these days, be it the UGC, be it the CUET PG. There are questions from contemporary sections which are often asked. Similarly, we covered one lecture before on heat domes in the regions of United States and Canada that were recently witnessed. So with climate change, all these weather phenomena get intensified, and these terms you must be very familiar with. What is atmospheric river? What is Pineapple Express? And we'll be covering many such important contemporary topics in the upcoming session, so that even you can supplement your answer writing with these kinds of things in your answers. Thanks for joining in.